to find the value of each limit in terms of x. That means our answer will have x in it. This is part 1. These are 2 problems that I'm going to do. And the part 2 is 2 more problems. Alright, so the first one is this one. So the first thing I want to do is expand my factors here. So this is going to be the limit as h approaches 0 of x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x squared all over h. As you can see, the x squares will zero out, so we're going to get the limit as h approaches 0 of 2xh plus h squared over h. Now let's factor out an h because we've got to get the h out. So we're going to factor out the h using the highest common factor. Oops. You should always write the limit. So let's write the limit as h approaches 0, and now factor out the h. That's 2x plus h over h. And what happens here is the h's cancel, so we're left with the limit as h approaches 0 of 2x plus h. And now we're going to use substitution, and that's going to be 2x plus 0, which equals 2x. So we wrote this limit in terms of x. And the next one is this one. So the first thing I'm going to do is expand my factors. So I'm going to get 5 times x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 5x squared all over h. And then I'm going to distribute my 5. So I get 5x squared plus 10xh plus 10h squared, and then we have minus 5x squared all over h. Now, as you can see, the 5x squares cancel out. We're just left with everything with h. So I'm going to factor out an h of this, and I'm going to get h times 10. I'm going to actually factor out, I can just leave this should have been a 5. Okay, so 10x plus 5h all over h. And then what happens is the h's cancel out. And now I can just use substitution and plug in zeros. So when you plug in 0, you're going to get 10x plus 5 times 0, and you're left with 10x. Okay? The next two I'm going to do are a little more complicated, but they're not too bad. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.